Once you have installed WiseWhisper on your computer, open it. You will see the login page on the screen. Enter your email address and password and then click Sign In. At that moment, the application will open and you can start using it. You can move the window around your desktop. Simply click on the top area, hold down, and drag it wherever you want. At the bottom of the window, you will see a bar with several icons. The first one is the one you should click when the interview begins. This will make WiseWhisper start listening your default output audio device and generating responses. The next icon is the settings icon. Here, you can choose the interview language. You can also change the waiting time before the application starts transcribing and responding. The longer it waits, the more accurate the response will be. With less wait time, the responses will be faster. Inside the settings, you also have the option to choose the AI's response style. Next, you have the icon for customizing responses. Here you can add your experience, key technologies, and achievements, so the responses are better tailored to you. The trash can icon is used to delete the entire session response history. The logout icon signs you out and takes you back to the login screen. The power off button closes the application window. Finally, the shortcuts icon shows you the keyboard shortcuts you can use while the application is active, such as hiding or showing the window, or moving from one question to another. WiseWhisper now captures your screen for instant AI help during interviews. It's super easy. Just hit Shift and Space to capture your screen. A preview will pop up. Don't worry, it's totally invisible to any screen sharing software you're using. To send, simply press Ctrl and Alt. You'll instantly get explanations, solutions, and tips, all customized specifically to your background and the question at hand. For maximum focus, you can use Shift, Control, and Space to select just a specific region of your screen. And if you prefer, you can always click the menu icon to take a full screenshot or snip out an area. And here's a pro tip: if a question is written on the screen, maybe in a document or a coding prompt, and not spoken out loud, the snip area function is the absolute best way to get the precise answer you need.